box shape shopping bag, box shape, box shape shopping bag, packing the saree piece, box shape stitching, box shape piece, shopping box shape bag, saree shopping bag, grocery bag, grocery packing bag, box shape bag, cutting, box shape grocery bag, cutting, packing bag, box shape cutting the piece. This is side cutting. And box shape piece, measure the piece. Measure the piece, round shape and cut. Box piece. Handle 2 piece. Handle piece 2 piece. Single 1 piece attaching 3 set box piece. Single 1 piece attaching. Top set folding piece. Folding the top set piece. Handle piece folding, stitching. Attaching the handle piece. One side and two side attaching handle piece. Two side attaching handle piece. Side box piece putty. Box piece putty. Stitching the edge. Edge piece stitching. Folding single, double folding. Cross the piece. box shape shopping bag, handle, edges folding, box piece, round shape box piece attaching. Very simple method and very easy stitching. Shopping the items, packing the bag, sari piece, sari, lehengas, dress materials, pack the bag. Don't use cover handbags. Please avoid cover. Use this bags. Stitching the side edges before attaching piece. Box shape bag is ready. Box piece, shopping mall packing the bag. Packing the items bag, shopping mall. Box shape shopping bag. Shopping the sari, packing the bag, dress piece, dress materials, saris, packing the bag. Very simple stitching, very easy method. Please subscribe my channel, like me.